Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a Polaroid picture in Canva step by step, so let's get started. First, open your browser and type Canva, then open the Canva website. Now click on Create a Design and select Custom Size. Change the units to inches, then enter 11.69 for the width and 8.27 for the height. After that, click Create New Design. Once your design opens, click on Elements and select Shapes. Choose the rectangle shape and add it to your canvas. Next, go to the Position panel and set the rectangle width to 2.13 inches and the height to 3.4 inches. Move the rectangle to the top area of your design. Now click on Elements again, scroll down to Frames, and select the square frame. Add it to the rectangle shape. Then go to Position and set the frame width to 1.8 inches and the height to 2.5 inches. Adjust the frame inside the rectangle to create the Polaroid photo area. Select the rectangle shape, click on the color option, and change it to white. Then click on Border Style and set the stroke weight to 4. Once your first Polaroid frame is ready, select it and duplicate it. Arrange the duplicate beside the first one. Repeat the process until you have 5 Polaroid frames in a row. Now select all 5 frames, duplicate them, and place the copies at the bottom of the design to create a second row. After that, drag and drop your images into the frames. Canva will automatically place the photos inside the Polaroid frames. You can double-click on any image to adjust its position inside the frame. When your design is complete, click on Share in the top right corner and then click Download. Choose your preferred file format and download your Polaroid picture. So that's it. If you like this video, then like, subscribe and press the bell icon for updates.